मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थी मित्रों, मेरे YouTube चैनल में जहां हम कक्षा 10वीं के मैथ्स 1 का लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं, उसके 8वें पीरियड में आप सबका स्वागत है। इस पीरियड में अपन प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसे हल करेंगे अपन। तो ध्यान दो, प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 प्रॉब्लम नंबर फर्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ करेक्ट नंबर। यहाँ पे डिटरमिनेंट दिया हुआ है 3, 4, 1, 2 कॉलम है। तो अपन जानते हैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसे 3 इंटू 5 और माइनस करना है 4 इंटू 2। तो 3 इंटू 5 माइनस 2 इंटू 4, या तो 4 इंटू 2, लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 दिया तो आप लिखेंगे 2 इंटू 4। 3 इंटू 5 15, 15 माइनस 8 7। ओके, सही। सेकेंड, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिटर्मिनेंट। जो डिटर्मिनेंट दी है उसकी वैल्यू अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है। तो पहला है -1, 2, 7, 4। आंसर में -1, 2, 7, 4 इक्वल टू इसका इससे मल्टीप्लीकेशन -1 इंटू 4 माइनस इसका इससे आते इसका इससे 7 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू -1 इंटू 4 -4 माइनस 7 इंटू 2 -14 equal to -18. This is the value of this determinant. Then next problem. Second, 5 minus 7, 3, 0. Answer 5 minus 7, 3, 0 equal to, all right, here equal to 5 into 0, 0 minus 3 into minus 7, 3 into minus 7, 5 into 0, 0, minus to minus plus 21 equal to 21. Third problem, answer 7 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 3 and 1 by 2. Right, 7 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 3 and 1 by 2. 7 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 1 by 2 equal to, multiply 7 by 3 with 1 by 2. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus multiply 5 by 3 with 3 by 2. 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. 7 into 1, 7 upon 6. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 3 into 5, 15. Or 3 into 2, 6. As denominator is same, therefore denominator will be 6. 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 minus 8 by 6, divide by 2 to 8 and 6, minus 4 by 3. That is the problem number 3rd. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. First is 3x minus 4y equal to 10, and second equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 5. The answer, x minus 4y equal to 10, this is equation number 1, and 4x plus 3y equal to 5. If you compare these two equations with general form, that is a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Then we see that a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 10, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to 5. Then we get right here comparing with general form. A1 equal to 3, B1 equal to minus 4, C1 equal to 10, A2 equal to 4, B2 equal to 3 and C2 equal to 5. D equal to A1, A2, B1, B2, that is equal to A1, 3, 4, 3, 4, B1, B2, minus 4, 3, minus 4, 3. Then find the value of this. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 into 4. It is equal to 9 minus into minus plus 16 equal to 25. This is D. Then find dx. Replace A1, A2 by C1, C2 in D. That will be the dx. C1, C2, here B1, B2, that is equal to C1, C2, 10, 5. Then minus 4, 3. 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 into 3, 30. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5, 20 equal to 50. This is dx. Then find dy. Replace b1, b2 by c1, c2 in d. That will be the dy. A1, A2, C1, C2, A1, A2, 3, 4, 3, 4, C1, C2, 10, 5, 10, 5, 3 into 5, minus 10 into 4, 15, minus 14, that is to minus 25. We find d, dx and dy. Then by Cramer's rule, x equal to dx upon d. Therefore, dx is 50 and d is 25. 50 upon 25 equal to 2. X equal to 2. And y equal to dy upon d. dy is minus 25 upon 25. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. Therefore, x comma y equal to 2 comma minus 1 is the solution of given substitution by Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. This is the first solution of this equation. Then second example. Here is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. And here is 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. Write this equation in standard form, just like ax plus By equal to C. Answer. Equation is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. And second is 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. Write above equation in the form ax plus by equal to c. Therefore, this equation will become 4x plus 3y equal to 4. Transfer this 4 towards right. And here, transfer this 5y towards left. And 6x plus 5y equal to 8. If we compare this equation with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and this a2x plus b2y equal to c2, comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2, then a1 will be 4, b1 will be 3, c1 will be 4, a2 will be 6, b2 will be 5 and c2 will be 8. Then a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 4, a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to 5 and c2 equal to 8. Just to find a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Then first find d. a1, a2, b1, b2 is a1, a2, b1, b2. a1 is 4, a2 is 6, b1 is 3, b2 is 5. Solve this determinant. 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3 or 3 into 6. That is equal to 20 minus 18 equal to 2. dx, replace a1, a2 by c1, c2. c1, c2, b1, b2 in d. Then c1, c2 is 4, 8. 4, 8, 3, 5, b1, b2. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 4 into 5, 20 minus 24 equal to minus 4. Then dy. dy equal to, in d, replace b1, b2 by c1, c2. a1, a2, c1, c2. a1, a2 is 4, 6. 4, 6. And c1, c2 is 4, 8. 4, 8. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 into 8, 32 minus 4 into 6, 24 equal to 8. We find d, dx and dy. I write answer here. You write below this in your copy. Then x equal to dx upon d. dx is minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Y equal to dy upon d. dy is 8 by 2. Therefore, y equal to 8 by 2, 4. Therefore, x comma y equal to x is minus 2 comma 4 is the solution of given family equation by Cramer's rule. Writing proper way below this portion you write below this. Then third example, x plus 2y equal to minus 1, first equation, and 2x minus 3y equal to 12, second equation. Answer. First equation is x plus 2y equal to minus 1, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Both the equations are in the form of x plus by equal to c. Comparing with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2, we get a1 equal to 1, multiplier is 1 here, comma, b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 1. a1 1, b1 2, c1 minus 1. a2 2, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to minus 3 and c2 equal to 12. As you know, determine d equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. a1 is 1, a2 is 2. 1, 2. b1 is 2, b2 is minus 3. 2 minus 3. That is equal to cross multiply. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. 1 into minus 3, 2 into 2. And that is equal to minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into minus 4 equal to minus 7. This is d. Then find dx. To find dx, replace a1, a2 by c1, c2 in d. c1, c2, here b1, b2. c1, c2 is minus 1, 12. Minus 1, 12. And b1, b2 is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12 minus plus 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 4, 24. 3 minus 24 equal to minus 21. Then find dy. To find dy, replace b1, b2 by c1, c2 in d. Therefore, here a1, a2, c1, c2. a1, a2 is 1, 2, 1, 2. c1, c2 is minus 1, 12. Cross multiply 1 into 12 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 12, 12, minus plus 1 into 2, 2 equal to 14. Thus we find d equal to 7, dx equal to minus 21, dy equal to 14. Then find x and y. As we know, x equal to dx upon d. Dx is minus 21, d is minus 7, minus minus cancel. 21 by 7 equal to 3. X equal to 3. And y equal to dy upon d. dy is 14 minus 7. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. That is minus 2. Therefore, x comma y equal to x is 3 comma minus 2 is the solution of given standard equation by Cramer's rule. Then we have to solve next equation. 6x minus 4y equal to minus 12 and 8x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Answer. Here 6x minus 4y equal to minus 12 and second 8x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Both the equations are in standard form or general form, x plus by equal to c. Therefore, we no need to transfer them in the general form. Then compare this equation with comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Compare this equation with this and this with this. We get a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to minus 12, a2 equal to 8, b2 equal to minus 3 and c2 equal to minus 2. This a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, this is b2, and this is c2. Then find first d. a1, a2, b1, b2 equal to a1 is 6, a2 is 8, b1 is minus 4, b2 is minus 3. Here a1 6, a2 8, b1 minus 4, b2 minus 3. We put value here. Then cross multiply 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3 minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8. 6 minus 3 minus 18. Minus plus. 4 into 8, 32. And that will be, sorry, plus. Okay. Plus 18 plus 32. This is small number, this is large number. Therefore, subtract 18 from 32, it will be 14. Positive 14 plus 14. Then dx equal to, replace a1 a2 by c1 c2. c1 c2 in d. b1 b2. c1 c2 is minus 12 minus 2. Minus 12 minus 2. And b1 b2 is minus 4 minus 3. All numbers are negative. Cross multiply. Minus 12 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2. That's equal to minus plus 12 into 3, 36. Minus plus minus 8 equal to 28. Then find dy. dy equal to A1, A2, here C1, C2. Replace B1, B2 by C1, C2 in D. That will be dy. Then A1, A2, 6, 8. C1, C2, minus 12, 2. So minus 12, minus 2. And that is equal to, right below here, 6 into minus 2 minus 12 into 8. 8. This is minus 12. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. Minus plus 12 into 8, 96. Subtract 12 from 96. 6 minus 2, 4. Then x equal to dx upon d. Dx is 28 upon 14 equal to 2. Y equal to dy upon d. Dy is 84 on 14. 6. Therefore, x comma y equal to x is 2 comma 6 is the solution of given sum equation by Cramer's rule. Okay. Now, example number 5th. 4m plus 6n equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n equal to 28. Right here, in place of x and y, here is mn. I'm sorry. 4m plus 6n equal to 54. This is one of the equation, and another is 3m plus 2n equal to 28. These both equations are in general form, like x plus by equal to c. Then compare this equation with comparing these equations with a1, right here m plus b1n equal to c1 and a2m plus b2n equal to c2. Here in place of x write m and in place of y write n. Then we get a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 6, c1 equal to 54, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 28. Therefore, first find d. That d equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. This determinant. Put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2. a1 is 4, a2 is 3, b1 is 6, b2 is 2. Then cross multiply 4 into 2 to find the value of its determinant. Cross multiply 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. 6 into 3. That is 4 into 2, 8 minus 18 equal to minus 10. Equal to minus 10. 4 into 2, 8 minus 6 into 3, 18. 8 minus 18 equal to minus 10. Then find dm. In place of x, write n. To find dm, replace a1, a2 by c1, c2. C1, C2, B1, B2. C1, C2 is 54, 28. 54, 28, and B1, B2 is 6, 6, 2. Then multiply 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28, that is equal to 108. 2 into 4, 8, and 2 into 5, 10. 108 minus 6 into 8, 48, carry 4, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 168. This is larger number, this small number. Subtract this smaller number from this larger number. 168 minus 108 equal to minus 60. Then find dn. In place of dy, right here dn. Find dn, replace here b1, b2 by c1, c2. Therefore we get a1, a2, c1, c2 equal to a1, a2 is 4, 3. C1, c2 is 54, 28. Cross multiply 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3 equal to 4 into 8, 32, carry 3, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 means 112 minus 3 into 4, 12, carry 1, 3 into 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16 means 162. 162 is larger number and 112 is smaller number. Subtract 112 from 162, we get 50, that is minus 50. Larger number is minus. Thus we find D, dm and this dn. Therefore, m equal to dm by d. dm by d. dm is minus 60 by minus 10, that is equal to 6, and n equal to dn by d. dn is minus 50 upon minus 10, that is equal to 5. Therefore, m comma n equal to m is 6 comma 5 is the solution of given simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. This is the then problem number 6. Answer. The sixth problem is first equation 2x plus 3y equal to 2, and second equation is x minus y by 2 equal to 1 by 2. These both equations are in general form, x plus by equal to c. We no need to arrange them. Then comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. We get a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 1 by 2, and c2 equal to 1 by 2. If you compare these two equations with these two equations, here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 1, multiplier here coefficient 1, b2 equal to minus 1 by 2, and c2 equal to 1 by 2. Then find first D. D means A1, A2, B1, B2 determinant. A1, A2 is 2, 1. 2, 1. B1, B2 is 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2. Then multiply 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Multiply 1. The answer is minus 1 minus 3 into 1. 3, that is minus 4. Minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 4. Then find dx. To find dx, replace A1, A2 by C1, C2. C1, C2, B1, B2. C1, C2 is, C1 is 2, C2 is 1 by 2. B1, B2 is 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2. Multiply 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2. Here 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2, it will be minus 1. Minus, it will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then here 2 is in denominator, therefore 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. And here minus 3. That means minus 5 by 2 minus dy. Replace B1, B2 by C1, C2. A1, A2, here C1, C2. Then A1, A2 is 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 minus 2 equal to minus x equal to dx upon d. dx is minus 5 by 2 and d is minus 4. That is equal to minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus. Minus will be plus 5 by 8. That is the x. And y equal to dy upon d equal to dy is minus 1 by minus 4 equal to 1 by 4. X is 5 by 8, y is 1 by 4. Therefore, x comma y equal to x is 5 by 8 comma 1 by 4 is the solution of given standard equation by Cramer's rule. Write this below this in your copy. Okay, thank you.